Meet Barry the banana. He's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that perfect yellow skin, that confident smile. Barry thinks he's the king of the fruit bowl, and honestly, he's not wrong. But Barry has no idea that inside his perfect body, there's a secret army of workers just waiting for the right moment to completely ruin his good looks. What could possibly go wrong for our handsome hero? Deep inside, Barry lived the Enzyme Construction Crew. Let's call them the Browning Brigade. These little orange workers have one job: wait for trouble. Right now, they're just chilling, playing cards, taking naps. They're like the world's most patient emergency response team. But the moment Barry gets bumped, dropped, or even slightly bruised, oh boy, it's like someone just rang the fire alarm in a firehouse. Disaster strikes. Barry gets dropped, and crack, his perfect skin breaks. Suddenly, oxygen molecules come flooding in like tiny blue invaders, screaming, "Attack! Attack!" The peaceful enzyme crew goes absolutely bonkers. Alarm bells are ringing. Workers are shouting, "This is not a drill." The orange enzyme guys grab their molecular toolkits and start working faster than a pit crew at a race car competition. Now the enzyme crew goes into overdrive. They start mixing oxygen with banana chemicals like they're making the world's weirdest smoothie. Bubble, pop, fizz. They're creating brown compounds faster than a paint factory explosion. It's pure chemical chaos. The browning mixture gets pumped through tiny banana highways straight to Barry's once perfect skin. Poor Barry has no idea his own workers are giving him the world's worst makeover. And boom! Barry's perfect yellow skin turns brown and spotted. At first, he's horrified. My beautiful complexion! But then he realizes something amazing. Those brown spots mean he's becoming sweeter and more flavorful. The enzyme crew wasn't ruining him. They were upgrading him. Now he's perfect for smoothies, banana bread, and sweet snacks. Barry learns that sometimes getting a little brown and bruised just means you're becoming more awesome on the inside.